What's going on, you guys? It is time for DM Exotics Future, part 3 of my little goofy mini series that I decided to do. So this one won't be as long-winded. I don't have a whole heck of a lot to say. Basically 2 weeks ago, I clicked off my 29th year at my regular job. What does that mean? That means that roughly one more year and I'm able to retire. Take my little pension over here to Thailand and live rather well. So DM Exotics is in its 21st year. So obviously I have been working very, very hard for the last 2 or 3 decades trying to keep all this stuff together. So obviously, as I stated before, we do have plans to finish out this expo season. Probably at the end of this year or early next year, within maybe the first 2, 3, 4 months of 2019, I'm actually going to retire. My idea is that I would like to run DM Exotics full time, kind of see what that feels like. It's very, very stressful doing 2 full-time gigs at the same time. So I'd like to see what it feels like to just run my business only. That might sound a little strange, but you know, I'd love to take the stress level down a little bit and focus more attention to DM Exotics. So I'm going to do that, and we're building a house over here, which should be done, I think, by August. So I am going to show you guys the house here in the next couple of days. We didn't want to interrupt the workers. They're doing some kind of bigger projects at the moment, so probably within the next couple of days before we head back to the US, I will get out there and do a video and show you guys the house. So that's basically my plan. All of our YouTube videos, you know, on the surface it may look like, you know, we're just kind of showing our travels and maybe even bragging a little bit, but my idea all along has been to do some travel service. Once we retire and relocate over here, we will be available to run tours for anybody that wants to come out. We can do Thailand, Malaysia, Laos, Indonesia, including obviously West Papua, my favorite spot.
Vietnam.
Yeah, Vietnam, all those countries. So it's very centralized for us. So once we are relocated, we're going to be offering that service to you guys. And the videos will serve as sample itineraries. So they're not just travel videos, they're actually going to be serving a purpose in the future. We have many, many more travels ahead of us. And once I'm retired, I have a lot more travels that I want to fulfill. Lots of places I want to go and places that I want to see. So that is basically it in a nutshell. I'm very excited. We're actually walking on a road that is adjacent to where we're building our house. It's very quiet. I'm looking forward to the peace and quiet. And well, that's pretty much it. So, all right, you guys, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Some of you may have gotten something out of my insight into the business and that sort of thing. But that's kind of where things are going at this point. Even into retirement, even post relocation, I still am going to be involved in the reptile business, just doing things from this side of the world instead of the United States. So for my competitors and those of you that are looking forward to me stepping out and disappearing, don't start smiling just yet. I'm not done. So we will still be loosely involved in the business. All right, you guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll be coming at you real soon within the next couple of days. For those of you that are curious to see our house, it's coming up. Thanks for watching. See ya.